So we're on our way to do a little hog hunt. Groundhog, that is. Grandma's got some groundhog issues out on the farm, so Miss Abby here and we're gonna try and take care of that. So maybe we'll get lucky and get it on video. Stay tuned. So this is our bait. We're gonna put some buck jam, it's apple flavor, on some of these sliced apples and sliced fruit. Go ahead and pour some on. Just a little bit on each. This stuff is really strong smelling. We're hoping that it brings them in to feed a little bit. Go around big circle maybe and try to get it as much on there as you can. Okay. Almost gone. Alright, I can smell that apple from here. Okay, save a little bit just in case. Alright, and then here's our battlefield out here in the yard. This is basically where we shoot our guns on a regular basis. So we're gonna put one over here by the tree stump, maybe out there by that pine tree. And she's gonna whack it with this 10-22 if everything goes well. All right, so we're striking out on the woodchuck hunting. It's really not that easy to sit out here all day and wait for them to pop their heads out. I might have to get some foot traps and try to trap them and get rid of them that way, which is probably the best way to go about it, really, unless you got lots of time to do whatever. But so to occupy the rest of our day, just for a little bit, we're going to take a couple shots on Abby's 10-22 rifle. She's going out here to set up a target. She's going to go out there a little ways and set it up. So this is a look at the 10-22. It's a beautiful gun. It's got a Bushnell 3x9x40 scope, which is awesome. It's actually set up for a left-hander. Love the wood grain, thumb hole grip. Super nice gun. Got a good buttstock, soft pad on the back from Cabela's. I mean, the grain on this gun is really pretty. It's got the Monte Carlo look here. Of course, it ejects the shells out on the right side. It's not really a left-handed gun, but it's set up for a left-hander. That's why Abby shoots it. But it's a really fun gun. It's nice. It shoots flawlessly. She's a really good shot with it. I guess I could call this a little bit of a 10-22 review. Of course, they're probably the top-rated 22 in the market for many years. They've sold millions of these guns. This has got some glass inserts in it. It's got the competition barrel. This was a really nice gun. It's with all the extras and stuff on there with the scope and everything. It's probably about a $500 setup. Not bad for her first gun. I think she's pretty blessed to have it. So I'll let her take a couple shots. She put that target out there. It is about 40 yards from where we're standing, according to my range finder. So we're just going to empty this magazine, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the gun when we're done. So stick around. flawless. Hit every time. We did move the target ahead a little bit. We were having troubles going out that far for some reason. Something was up with the clip or something, but no, that was pretty good, Ab. So we'll do one more round on it. All right, so let's talk more about the gun. All right, so like I said, this gun is awesome. She's a really good shot with it. She practices quite a bit. It ain't nothing for us to go through 500 rounds in one little session. So this is some of the magazine. She's got 3 of these little magazines. You just load 10 in each one. You can get, you know, 25 round banana clip magazines. You can get all kinds of different ones, but we got 3 of these. We'll probably get her a bigger one eventually because we get tired of sitting here loading them up. But this gun is awesome. Abby, tell me something you love about this gun. What's the best thing about it, you think? What's that?
It's left-handed.
Well, it's left-handed, yeah, but other than how beautiful it is and how well it shoots, and it's an easy gun. It's a good little plinker. You know, you can shoot small game with it, groundhogs, ground squirrels, rabbits. It never jams up on us. It's a really good gun. We take good care of it. We clean it. I don't know, we put a few hundred rounds to it. We clean it up. You know, it's good to take good care of your stuff. Maybe we'll do a video of cleaning the gun one of these days, but we don't have the time for that today. But anyway, if you want to have fun shooting not an expensive round, get a 10-22. One of the best guns on the market, in my opinion. So, and that little target out there, they're cheap. I think I got paid 12 bucks for that little spinny target. It's got a little end on the top and a bigger end on the bottom. It's got 2 of them. You can get bigger ones. You can get all kinds of different things for it. So something fun to do. It's good to start off with. Heck, I'm not even a starter, and I shoot my 22 quite often because it's so cheap to shoot. You know, you can get a box of 500 for around 20 bucks, which is affordable. So it's a good time. We love it. Now that the sun's shining and it's a little bit nicer out, we try to get out and shoot probably once a week, once every couple weeks at most. And you know, practice makes perfect. It's always good to be on top of things. So anyway, leave us some comments what you think about the 10-22, whether you like the 22, whether you want to get a 22, whatever. By all means, if you haven't become a subscriber on my channel, smash that button. Today's a good day to do that. And don't forget to hit the notifications so we can come back with some more videos so you won't miss a thing. So we're going to shoot a few more rounds through this just for fun. And we'll see you next time. Clear? Go for it. Nice shooting. All right, catch you later. Thanks.